This is a 2005 Audi S4. It features a 4.2-liter 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed manual transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a locking differential, a sport suspension, high-intensity headlights, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated washer fluid, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and aluminum wheels. Not to mention that this Audi qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Hiley Huntsville is located at 6561 University Drive Northwest in Huntsville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.